So what is our topic? Linear differential equations. I will tell you the process how to solve such equations. Generally, a linear differential equation in your scope of work would be this type. Okay, first order differential equation, linear differential equation of first order. This is the only thing in your scope. In your college you will deal with higher orders. All right. Here P and Q either can be any constant or a function of x. Okay. Are either a function of x or constant. ठीक है जी. Now let me tell you the algorithm how to solve them. So what are the steps to solve? Step number 1. Write your differential equation. Write the given differential equation in this form or format. Which format? dy upon dx plus py equal to q. Okay. And as I told you, where p comma q are constants or functions of x only. Remember that much. First, step 1 is clear. Step 2, find the integrating factor if. Find the integrating factor if. We call it. And what is if?
e to the power integral of
P dx. Okay. Step number 3, write the solution of the given differential equation. And how would you write? The simplicity is y multiplied by I dot f dot, that is integrating factor, which is equal to q times if dx plus c. Let us try to take an application question. I am writing, find the general solution of the differential equation को मैं लिखूंगा DE, and DE is given as dy upon dx minus y equal to cos x. Let us find the solution of the problem. Let me write step 1. The standard equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. ओके, सो इसके नीचे इक्वेशन लिखो जो तुम्हारी है, इक्वेशन जो क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है इस cos x. Do you see comparing p is -1 and q is cos x? Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, finding integrating factor if. Simply integration of p dx, exponents power p dx. So it would be e -1 dot dx, which is nothing but simply minus x, e की power minus x. We already know the if, so let me just simply write the solution part. Y times if equal to integration of q times if plus c, and the value of q and cos x. So we will write cos x into e power minus x dx, here it will be dx, okay, and plus some sort of c. Let me write it I plus c, okay, where I is e power minus x cos x dx integration. Okay, use integration by parts, okay, and then use eyelet to choose which is your first function and to choose which is your second function. Okay, so let us write down cos x integration of e power minus x dx, then minus इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ कोस एक्स क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव साइन एक्स दोस्त, डी बाई डी एक्स, एंड देन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई की पावर माइनस एक्स विल बी नेगेटिव ई माइनस एक्स एंड देन डी एक्स. So I will have I as negative e negative x cos x minus e negative x sin x dx. Is this step clear? Let's further put it, negative x cos x, and I will put the bracket. Again we will have sin x and then
minus e minus to the power minus x.
Negative e negative x, then minus cos x negative e negative x dx, and then close. We will further have negative e minus x cos x, positive e minus x sin x, and then negative e negative x cos x dx and integration. Minus minus plus, when you further multiply by minus, the final will be minus. Remember, I'll have I e minus x common, sin x minus cos x, negative I. So 2i would be e minus x sin x minus cos x and I would be E negative x sin x minus cos x upon 2.
So plus C.
Yes, we will put it there. Okay, if you want to write, let us write it even here. It's okay. Now let's put this value back to our solution zone. So the solution was somewhere here, if you remember, it was here. So y times if is nothing but y e की power negative x. Okay, so let me write down. Therefore y times e की power negative x equal to sin x minus cos x e की power minus x upon 2 plus c. Okay, now if I really divide by e की power minus x, then I will have to divide here also and also here. Are you with me? So you will get y equal to sin x minus cos x upon 2 plus c e की power x, and that is my final solution. Make sure that we are doing everything step by step. As a matter of fact, you will not make mistakes at all. You will save more time. There is no need to hurry. Keep doing it. Let us do the next question. Find the general solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y x square. Okay. Again, write down your answer and go to step 1. So what is my step 1? Write down dy by dx plus py equal to q. And here my actual equation is dy by dx plus 2 by x dot y equal to x. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? So what is my p? P is 2 by x, and what is q? It is simply x. Now let us find if, that is integrating factor. So integrating factor if is e की power p dx, e की power p dx, which is nothing but p is 2 by x dx, which is e log x, which is nothing but simply x. Okay, but here it was 2, so it is 2, which is nothing but x square. Okay, if. Everybody okay? E raised to the power 2 log x is equal to x square. Log property लगा दो. E log x square will be x square. Use log property. Okay. Now I know if. So what is my next step? Y times if is equal to q times if dx plus c. Okay. What was q? X into x square dx plus c. So what will be your final thing?
Y is equal to x square by
So y times if was x square is equal to x cube dx plus c. So y is equal to x square upon 4
plus
and then plus
C by
c x की power minus 2. Okay, so that would be my final solution. Let's take yet another question for your practice. The equation is y dx minus x plus 2 y square dy equal to 0. If you solve this equation, what will be dy by dx? Minus x upon y equal to 2y. Rather, it is dx by dy. Whenever you have such a question, you will see that it is altered. That equation would be altered like dx by dy. This time it will be plus px की जगह क्या हो जाएगा py. Okay.
px
उसमें py था तो px होगा यहाँ पे. This is px and here it will be q. Okay. P and q would be either constant or a function of y this time. Remember, dx upon dy means your parameter have reversed. Okay. So what is my solution? So here in this case, equation is q1 is what? q1 is 2y. Yeah, you simply q लिख लो. Q is 2y. And what is p?
sir
P is minus 1 upon y. Check. P कहाँ है and q कहाँ है? Q is 2y and P is minus 1 upon y. Okay. Now that we know this, what will be my IF? IF will be e की power integration of negative 1 upon y dy. Alright. So it will be e negative log y, which means simply y की power minus 1 or 1 upon y. This will be your IF. Okay. So this time your solution will be x times 1 upon y equal to q times q की वैल्यू क्या है 2y times if is 1 upon y. Okay, dy plus c. So the answer is 2 dy plus c, which is nothing but 2y plus c. Okay, and here you will write x upon y. So what is the final answer? X is equal to 2y square plus cy. So this is your final answer. Is this explanation enough? Yes or no? Tell me. Have you understood the application part? Okay.